Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Kid Buu from Dragon Ball The Final Chapters. Here's what you must know. You probably already saw my other Majin Buu video, but you see this version of Majin Buu, this is what he originally looks like before Bibbidi ever created him, after he was born. But you see this was what he looks like before he obtained the power of all the Supreme Kais, including the Supreme Kai's master. He absorbed Majin, but by fusing him with his divine being, that's what transformed him into the Majin Buu that we all know. But eventually, he still remained under Bibbidi's control, then was passed on to Bobbidi. Pretty odd, don't you think? But anyways, Mr. Satan, he got through to Majin Buu, allowing him to become friends with him. But after Mr. Satan got shot by one of the hunters, Majin Buu spit out his evil half, but eventually got devoured by it, resulting in Super Buu. Okay, so when you're drawing him, be sure to draw the tentacle on his forehead, and then add a few holes here. Anyways, so Goku and Vegeta, they went inside Majin Buu's actual body to free their sons and Piccolo, and they found Majin Buu in his original form, all tied up, but they detached those attachments to his body, and that's what allowed Super Buu to transform into Kid Buu. To be honest, Super Buu, he was more intelligent and smarter than he was before, but without the Kai's goodness, he transformed into a mindless monster, which is kind of scary actually. But who would have thought that Majin Buu would look exactly like this? And it would be a bad idea for Majin Buu to transform him into candy, otherwise he'd be evil all over again. I'm just glad he didn't do that. But anyways, here's a known fact about the Kid Buu. You see, Goku in his Super Saiyan 3 form, he used the Spirit Bomb on him to destroy him. But here's a plot twist. After he got destroyed, Kid Buu got reincarnated as Uub in Dragon Ball GT. And in Dragon Ball Z, he made a promise to Uub that he'd train with him, that he'd spar with him again one of these days. But it makes me wonder if it's hard to say actually. But I feel like Kid Buu was hostile and misguided by Bobbidi and Bibbidi and Deborah. But we managed to surpass that. We saw all the versions of Majin Buu, especially the part of him that he had a nose. Who does that, really? Majin Buu with a nose? That's ridiculous. But, anyways, I know he wasn't really that bad. We saw what he we saw all the forms of him. We saw what he looked like on the inside of his body. We saw what he looked like when he was fused with Piccolo and Vegeta and Gohan. Anyways, we're almost done. Make sure to draw this last piece here. And there we go. That is how you draw Kid Buu. Pretty impressive, don't you think, you guys? I know he doesn't look like much, but he looks exactly like the original Majin Buu. His eyes are red. He has pink skin, like the original Majin Buu. His fingernails. He has that belt. All the traits of Majin Buu. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll let you guys know what kind of Dragon Ball fighter I'll be drawing you guys next. Till then, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, wait, what's that sound? What the? Kid Buu? Oh no. Wait, don't eat me! Ah! Oh, I'll come back to you guys soon. Right now, I gotta fight this man. Take this, Majin Buu! Yeah!